At Lubrizol, we're uniquely positioned to deliver better membrane technologies.
Most membrane companies, they don't have the ability to synthesize new molecules. And for polymer companies, the amount of material, the volume that they actually sell into the membrane space is not that much. And so Lubrizol brings the best of all those worlds together. We can synthesize new molecules and do it scalably, and also bring a lot of other materials that are in-house to develop the best membranes in the market.
Our unique set of capabilities, along with our vast resources, enable us to bring step-change innovation quickly and at scale.
Chemistry and data analytics is a huge advantage for us to be able to manage all that data, pull it together, and use all those techniques that our data analytics has to help us optimize and develop next-generation materials. So you can think of dozens of applications where Lubrizol has taken chemistry and applied it to modification of surfaces, and that's a key area within membrane science. So we're going to create molecules that we can formulate into the membrane space that will effectively interact with the materials that we're trying to separate at a molecular level, and take advantage of our molecular design teams to create molecules that will actually end up on the surface of the membrane and give us these competitive advantages.
At Lubrizol, our team is working to make the advancements that industry desperately needs by developing innovations that deliver higher throughput, minimize waste, and simplify maintenance.
At Lubrizol, we are applying these capabilities to modify the surface of membranes for flux and selectivity improvement. We are bringing in new polymers to improve the chemical resistance and cleanability of membranes.
We're working to make membranes that can help you get more capacity out of your assets while actually reducing the amount of equipment required.
We are making membranes with better flux or higher throughput, which will help reduce the stainless steel requirement in the dairy plant.
More efficient membranes will translate into cost savings for them to not have to rebuild plants and add significant amounts of capital and capacity.
We're working to develop membranes to allow you to work faster and more efficiently, and that adds up to bottom-line success.
Lubrizol is working to improve the flux and throughput of a membrane by looking at multiple areas. One is pore density, so you can maximize the amount of open space in a membrane and therefore increase the overall flux, but also focusing on fouling. The more uptime you have through less fouling also increases that overall throughput of a membrane. So by looking at multiple aspects of the membrane, we're looking to increase the overall flux and throughput.
Membranes that offer better flux and reduced cleaning times could save mid-sized dairy companies up to $200,000 a year with low, if any, capital outlay.
We bring unique polymers to the membrane space, which will increase your uptime overall.
With longer-lasting membranes, they can keep your operation going longer with fewer shutdowns along the way.
If you think across all the different areas that Lubrizol operates in, tremendous amount of formulation expertise, and we've leveraged that into the Separation Solutions group. If you think about specific areas where membranes are looking for improvements, modification of surfaces is a huge area, and that's really a core competency of Lubrizol.
At Lubrizol, we're at the forefront of membrane technology. Our resources are robust. Our combination of formulation and surface science expertise and testing capabilities are second to none.
Our measurement capabilities are rivaled by nobody, and it's really allowed us to move quickly and to look at details that most companies can't even begin to visualize.
As we continue to lead the way in the development of new and better technologies, we welcome the opportunity to develop joint partnerships to solve your biggest challenges and to help keep your business strong.